What is up, guys? Today we are in a different neighborhood of Oaxaca City. We're in an area called America Norte, and it's kind of cool because all of the street names are named after different countries. And yeah, it's just a really colorful, chill neighborhood. And we're just walking for lunch right now. Nari found a home-style Oaxacan restaurant that looks really good. They sure love music in Mexico. There it is. It's a hot day if you can't tell by the hat and the fan. And we are excited for some good food and a cold drink.
Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Qué tal? Buenas tardes. ¿Sabe aquí o en el jardín?
Ah, claro. Gracias. This door? What does he mean? Oh, he's coming. Sí,
adelante.
Ah, bueno. Cool little garden in the back. Here?
Sí, podría ser aquí o allá.
Gracias.
Sí. ¿Buscan algo de tomar para iniciar?
Salud.
Salud.
It's good. Oh, really sour, this one. I was just telling Nari it's kind of cool that we have this place all to ourselves. I can walk around with my camera without feeling like a weirdo in front of everyone else. You'd think I'd be used to it after 200 videos, but sometimes it still gets a bit weird. Do you want to introduce this dish?
Oh yeah, this is tamale de elote con crema y queso. Sorry.
No, nicely
from my
done.
Spanish. But yeah, this is like con tamale, cream with cheese, as you can see.
I've never seen such a white tamale.
Yeah, I mean neither, right? Oh.
How does it taste?
This is my type of tamale. It's got my favorite taste, sweet and salty. Try it. It's great actually.
Okay. It's like nothing I've tasted before, actually. That is a tamale. Now I know why in Mexico City they always go tamales. Oaxaqueños.
It's disappearing. You better get more.
Well, that's the trouble with trying to film these things. If it's something Nari likes, next thing I know, it's gone.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Plato, it's made garnachas. This is cabbage con garnachas.
Sí.
This is plantain con queso y crema, chile relleno y el pollo garnachero.
Ah, bueno.
Sí.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Look at all the cheese on those guys, eh? And like pretty much every good meal I've had in Mexico, we have a side of warm tortillas.
Oh, this is whole chicken.
Everything tastes better when it's wrapped. That's my philosophy on life.
A mixed.
Oh, there's the first bite. Good chicken?
Yeah, it's good. I like the sauce.
Ooh. Okay guys, Nari's got the camera. Let me know how her skills
Oh
are.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Bit of cabbage.
Yeah, wrapping mustard.
What do you think, guys? Oh my god.
The chicken tastes really good.
That might be the best bite I've had in Oaxaca. No exaggeration, that was. I don't know what you are, but I'm about to find out.
I can't describe very well, like Mark Way, but yeah, it's just so good. I can say that it's good.
No, I feel that way too. Like, do you guys know Mark Wine? He's like a pretty famous
Food blogger.
food travel channel. And yeah, I'm the same way. Like, I can't always find the words for the food that I'm eating, but I could tell you, no joke, this meal is something special. I haven't had a combination like this since coming to Mexico. And for me, this is just showing me how much variety there is in Mexican food, and the food from Oaxaca specifically. You know, there's similarities across Mexico, like the tortillas and some of the side dishes, but this is just a whole new food experience in Mexico for me, and I think for Nari too.
Now I understand why people are talking about. Yeah, I need to go to Oaxaca just for food. But I said, like, no, I'm happy with my taco pastor. It's different.
I think the final dish that we're about to try is the fried plantain. It looks like it has cheese on top. Never seen it like that before.
Hey, looking good.
Nice cut. Get out of there, fly. You didn't pay for this meal.
So true.
Yeah.
So sweet. I feel like that'd go well with like a vanilla ice cream or something. You know?
Yeah. Absolutely. Oh yes, they do.
Oh, it's great.
You want the last bit of chicken?
No, go ahead. I left it for you.
So in the end, we paid 310 pesos. Let's call it about 350 with tip. There are definitely cheaper meals to be had in Mexico, but I think the quality of food we had was excellent. So yeah, this is a place I would recommend, and yeah. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that look at food from Oaxaca City. I have a full belly. Oh, that tamarindo juice was so good. As always, guys, I'm Dan for The New Travel. Thanks for watching.